Hello, it is the four crazy guys back here with another freaking video. But this one is special. Do you know why? Because we have been on here for a year now. Yes, we have been on here for a year and we have 40 subscribers. Lol. I took a 5-month break, so that's part of my fault. Our channel died in that point of time. This was recently, by the way. Then I brought it back to life, and I got us up from 33 subs to 40 now, in that span of 2 months. So I think that's awesome. So I guess what I'm doing here for this special is I am actually going to make a play button, a gold play button. Actually, I will see. I would have liked to go for red, but the red was gone completely, so I have stuck with yellow. We'll watch till the end to find out how it turns out, or just skip to the end. Please don't know. I'd rather you watch the whole thing because it's kind of interesting. But yeah, what I'm doing right now is just getting the measurements down and stuff like that, making sure it's all lined up. I'm drawing the perfect edges and everything like that, all that good stuff, so I can cut it out just fine and easily. But I'll check in with you guys later, and I guess I'll just play some music.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time.
D for me. A B C D E F G. Until you see her, you'll agree. A B C D E F G.
doing right now is that I guess I'm getting that good solid edge on the, I guess, play button front. Well, that's the back that I'm working on right now. I'm getting the nice straight solid sharp edge on it. Well, not sharp like literally sharp, but you know what I mean. But this really turned out pretty good to the end. I'd like you to watch it till the end. It turned out pretty good. I had a good time building it because this is something I wanted to do. And at first I was thinking like I could use clickbait. Like I could clickbait you guys into this. Like I could be like, at 40 subscribers, I got a play button. And it's just me making my own play button. But no, I want you to, I don't like lying. No lying for me, okay? But what I'm currently doing right now is that I'm making the edges, well, I guess the top and bottom of the play button, because I'm going to make it 3D wise, and that's the top and bottom that I'm making right now. I had to get the line perfectly straight through the middle so I can cut it out. So it'll be just fine yet again. I'm getting those perfect edges, getting that right through there. Now what I do is that I take it through one whole time so it wears down the cardboard, then I take it through another, then it's easier to take it through and cut. And sometimes it may look like I'm struggling to cut it. I'm really not. I don't want to break the blade. And I don't want to break the freaking handle, because the handle is just a thin thing of plastic. It's easily breakable. See, like right there, I'm not forcing it down because I don't want it to break. I'm just kind of doing a little, going back up, force a little, go back up, force a little, go back up. It's probably the best thing to do with those. But without further ado, I will leave you guys to your own demise again and listen to some more music. Yeah.
Why don't you ever model for me, Mrs. Kensington?
You know how Mr. Kensington feels about that.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Hello, I am done making it. Making the play button. And just so you know, this is what I recorded it on. Right there. That's my sister Kami. It's currently bedtime almost. This is my little crafting table I got going on there. Hot glue gun going there, knife going there, hot glue sticks going there. You know, all that fancy stuff. So yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. Beautifulness. We had to go with gold because the red was almost out. The red was like nowhere to be found. I got the sides and everything. It didn't look so pretty on the side, but the front's what matters. Now I lift this out on the face, so no one's gonna see the back. And every time we go up by 10, I'm gonna replace the 40. Whenever I hit 50, I'm gonna take the 40 off and put 50. That's why I made this so loose. It's super easy to pull off. But that I hot glued on completely, and that I hot glued, and it said sub. Because I ran out of room. I didn't feel I had a lazy moment, but no one's gonna see the back of it but me and a few other people, I guess. So that's why I kind of left the back out. I got the top. Ooh, got paint on my finger. Got the bottom. Besides that part, no one's gonna see the bottom either, so I'm not too worried about it. But everything else, I mean, it looks pretty. I'm gonna go edit this hour and 30-minute long video. And it's gonna free up storage on my phone. So, goodbye and have a beautiful day. See you guys on the next one. Ooh, buh.